Hi, my name is Beth, and I'm a scientist. I love exploring our world. I feel that some of our greatest science minds are our young students. So many questions, they're so bright and inquisitive. Especially young children. They're quite amazing. If you watch and listen to them, most of the time they're experimenting with something, doing it over and over and watching what happens, or they're asking questions. So what's the best way to keep this natural curiosity and this hunger for learning alive? What can we do in our schools so that our students are learning because they're excited about it and they want to? I find that science answers all these questions. It's a fabulous way to get the students really engaged.
What did you figure out?
Ultimately, coming to school every day, students start to build their perceptions for why they learn. The student, for instance, says they learn because they want to be able to have a job that supports them long-term instead of short-term. This student wants to be successful in the future. He also learns because he wants a job that he likes. This student wants to learn because they want A's. This student says it's good for me and because so I can get whatever job I want. Here's an interesting one. This student realizes that power is knowledge. And finally, this student wants a productive, educated life. You teachers play a powerful role in these students' lives and forming their perceptions of why they should love to learn. I find that some of the most helpful tools for bringing excitement and interest to a classroom lie right outside its doors. Science never happens in a desk. It always starts with an adventure, collecting something or noticing something. In our busy world, you'll find that children are experts at slowing down and looking at what's around them. Allowing students to be students, to run and be excited and share what they found is so very important.
Look at these giant buzzy bees.
There's so much we're just learning about the organisms on our earth. For instance, trees have networks underground that allow them to talk and find other trees that might need nutrients or help. It's fascinating what we're learning. The beautiful part of the NGSS is it incorporates so much hands-on learning. Don't trade it for a video. These are the times that will bring memories to your classroom. So find ways to get outside and incorporate the amazing world into your lessons. These students engineered bird feeders as they learned about the diversity of life on their campus. Go and find how many different types of seeds you can find right on your campus, or what insects lie waiting for you to discover them. Some big smiles and great discoveries are waiting for you. They're always wondering what something is, so a helpful app that I love is called Seek. You simply take a picture and it gives you an answer. So if a student is wondering what type of leaf or insect or animal they're looking at, this app can help you out.
Okay, you can have them in your class.
But even more important than an app is your excitement and validation that what they found is interesting and worth looking at and thinking about. So just your positive attitude and allowing them to explore can do wonderful things for your classroom.
I like those guys. They kind of look like trilobites. You know the things from dinosaur age?